Hey gang, this is Mitch Ibach with Vance Thompson Vision in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I'm excited and honored to be lecturing at this year's American Academy of Optometry meeting in Orlando, Florida. My lecture, Corneal Ulcers from Z to A, is Saturday, October 26th at 1 o'clock. This lecture aims to provide some diagnostic tips and tricks for corneal ulcers. We'll talk about using lab testing and culturing for some of our more difficult ulcers when we're trying to make the initial diagnosis. We'll look at some of the landmark clinical trials on corneal ulcers. And then finally, we'll talk about some standard of care treatment options for corneal infections, as well as some emerging technologies that are coming for our patients. The highlight of this lecture is going to be a patient case of bilateral acanthamoeba. This has been a really tough case that I've been working through. And that's the teaser. You got to come out to the lecture. I invite you to join us Saturday, October 26th for this lecture to see the ups and downs of this case and ultimately how it's resolved. Hope to see you all in Orlando.